Who's gonna get crushed in their fridge? Isn't it cold in there? I think it's pretty cold in there, isn't it? You kids are funny. I think this is what my daddy used to call window shopping. Let's see. Stop window shopping. Oh, I think Zara found what she needs, some spicy mustard. Roman, make a choice. Oh, we're going to put it back. Good girl. Oh, maybe not.